welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the brand new Erin Condren Teacher Lesson Planner. I'm going to set it up for work in this video, and then I also have a mini haul because I picked my Teacher Lesson Planner up at the Erin Condren store in Austin. So I'm also going to share some new items that I saw in store that I wanted to grab for this. So let's take everything out of the bag and we will start with the Teacher Lesson Planner. So I picked up the Mid-Century Circle cover and the Mid-Century Circle interior. There are 3 different interiors this year. We have the layers, the Mid-Century Circle, and then there is the focused as well. I was honestly debating between the focused and the Mid-Century Circle. As y'all can probably guess, I love the focused line. It's my favorite. This is for work, so I also figured it'd be better, but without giving too much away, I am getting something else to use for work, and I wanted to use this design with it. So the Teacher Lesson Planner is an 8.5 by 11 inch planner. Not much has changed from the previous years, except for the designs, of course. You have all 4 coil choices. And then today, April 8th, is the UC Insider launch. And then with that, you get the pen, while supplies last, and the sticky note cube with every order in store and online. I will have links, of course, below as usual. There are going to be 3 different starts. So there is July, August, and September start dates. I got the July. There's also a beautiful Mid-Century Circles binder. And the only interior you can get with that is the Mid-Century Circle design. I believe that is the same price as the coiled as well. And it is a 3-ring binder. So if you are a teacher, that's great to add in pages and take things in and out as needed. But that is just an overview of launch details. Let's do a flip, and I'm going to try and get this fully in frame. So again, not much has changed from last year. So you have your All About Me page, events and volunteers, communication log, yearly overview, year plan, you have some graph pages, note pages, and then you get into your months. So the first item in your months is your dates to remember, and then your note page. You have a monthly calendar, and then you get your breakdown. So again, same layout as last year. So you have your 6 different sections, you have your 5 weekdays, and then you have your long list on the side. And it's like that for every month. And then you have the ombre going down for each month. I'll just show y'all a few months, and we'll get into the back. So in the back, you have note pages, and then it goes into a checklist. So you can use this multiple different ways. If you have like ongoing projects, you can also just use this as a regular like checklist area. You can also, if you are a teacher, add more pages on. There's also a new grade book available as well, and it's a full book full of this, and that is available online and in stores. You do get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you get 7 full checklists, and then you can add on more. And you can also add on more note pages. These are the stickers. So again, they are the exact same from last year. And then you have your pocket, and then you have your page protector, and that has like your holidays and items that you can add into your planner. So, which is in silver metallic. So you can add, I think up to 3 of these as well. And you can also get them for the binder. The only thing that doesn't have the only difference between the life planners is that you don't get any of this with the focus planner. But that is a quick flip of the Erin Condren Teacher Lesson Planner. And I'm gonna set this up with you guys. So I'm gonna show y'all everything else I got at Erin Condren, and then we will do a setup because I'm using some of those items. So let's take this out of the way for now. Two things that I picked up that are new to me. I know these just recently came out, but I got the Warm Neutral Fine Tip Markers because I am going to color code in here because I am using, again, for work. So I will be using these. And then I found these sticky notepads. I think this will be perfect for my hourly planner for days that I just want to list stuff out. And I really wanted that for 20% discount, and I already had 3 other accessories, so I figured I'd try these out. So we got these, and then I got date dots so we can start using this planner right away. And then I got another set of the Productivity Washi Tape Duo, so it has that time and it has the check marks, so I can use it in my planner. So these are the accessories, and again, these are the gift book purchases. This is only for EC Insiders, and then this will be available for everybody. And the regular launch is tomorrow, so if you're not an EC Insider, you can order your teacher lesson planner and you will get the sticky note cube while it lasts. So we have all of that. And now for the setup. Okay, so I am going to set this up, and then I will come back and then show y'all how I'm using it, how I've used it in the past, because it's not going to change, and then what I do. Okay, y'all, so I apologize, like, I don't think I can get this fully in frame because it's so big, but y'all get the idea. So I am getting a new cover for this. There are some new items coming out that I can't wait. Stay tuned for next week. There's an amazing launch that I'm beyond excited to share with you guys. So stay tuned for that, but I will be changing out the cover, and yeah, so going through the teacher lesson planner. So obviously this is not for teachers, but you can use it for so much more. You can, I use whiteout over everything. I'm not afraid. You can also use stickers. I have in the past contemplated how I'm going to use these pages, and I never ever use them. So I think I'm actually just going to tape these together, and then I can put my business card here. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I do use the communication log. I use this for whenever we reach out to IT support. I run all the websites, so if we have an issue with something in them or anything along those lines, any issue, if I talk with someone about it, I have it in here, so I have a record. We have a yearly overview. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this. I don't know. I honestly just don't know yet what I'm going to do with this. I kind of want to do events, but we'll see. If I use this for anything, it will be for events. And then we have the yearly plan. So I'm going to use this to highlight different focuses each month that we need to do for marketing campaigns, and then just project schedules and timelines in here. For the graph page, I'm just going to leave these blank. You can use these for anything. It's graph paper. I haven't decided yet. I think I might do one per quarter and use it for something specific. I just haven't decided yet. The main reason why I want to use it is just because of the weekly layout. So let's move into April. So because I always move in early, one, you think I'd be better at doing it. I don't know if y'all saw the speed up, but I messed up a bit when it came to numbering. But since I always move in early, I can just replace the last few months, and it's never an issue. I never run out of space. So here's a monthly view. I whited out all the dates, added the date dots, and then added the holidays. I just double checked some of the days. I didn't put them all in there just because I don't want it to get too cluttered with things that we don't market or use. But I'm just gonna use this for events. There's too many meetings for me to mark meetings. So I'm just gonna use this for events and deadlines and campaigns. Here's just a sample of using the washies that I got, so the productivity duo. So they don't line up perfectly. The times actually line up perfectly, which is strange. But the check boxes don't. And so it's good enough for me to be able to just check things off. I don't know how frequently I'll use them, but I'll definitely use the times in here. So the way I use this, and I have a full blog post that I'll have linked below from last year. I don't want to have the same repeat information. So I'll leave the blog post, my video from last year where I go over different ideas, because I did several videos on the teacher lesson planner last year. And I shared different ways that you can use it for different things. If you're a student, if you use it for work, because obviously, again, not a teacher, but there are so many ways you can use this, and this is such a nice planner. But went through, whited out the dates, added the date dots again, and I have this broken down by business. So I manage marketing for 6 different businesses, if you're new to my channel. And so I use each segment per business channel, and that way I can keep track of what I'm doing for who and when and what's going on with here. And that's why I love this planner so much, because it's the only one that allows me to do it. And then you can use it, for example, if you if you're if you're a marketing manager for one business, you can organize this by different channel that you manage. So if you do social media, advertising, PR, print ads, you name it, you can break up your job into 6 different segments, and that's for anybody. If you're a student, you can use this per class, similar to how teachers use it. There's just so many different ways that you can use this planner, but this is how I use it and how I like to use it, because it helps organize everything. I am kind of wishing that I did the focus planner, to be completely honest, because it's just, I forgot how colorful Erin Condren is, and I'm not a colorful person. I just love the mid-century circle design. So if anything, I'm just looking at these, but you don't really get that in here. And I'm not a huge fan of like the bars and the focused, but I do love like the monthly view. I don't know. That's just my thoughts. But other than that, like I just did the same thing for April, May, and June. I don't like, and that's another reason why I don't like colorful. I don't like when it goes from one month to another and you get that like purple and pink page, the pink and green page. And that's why I double-sided taped them out. For June, luckily the first week of June, I'm actually on PTO. That's when my residency starts for school. So I was able to take that out so I don't have to see it. But that's, again, just a personal preference. I don't like it, and I think that's just because I'm a neutral person, and I like sticking to like one color if there's going to be a color. But yeah, other than that, that's how I always set it up and how I move in early. It's really simple, really easy. It didn't take too much time. You can also do it 1 month at a time. I just did it so it's done with, especially since it's for work. I don't want to have to keep, setting things up for this. I just do it all at once. But that is how you can move in early. And that is the teacher lesson planner, a few things that I bought, and that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching.